Right, so multiplying fractions. I think this is the easiest bit you can do. It's just top times top, bottom times bottom. So top times top, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 5, 15. Make sure it can't be simplified. 8 and 15, there's nothing that can divide both of them, so you're all done. Okay, we've got 2 over 5, and we're timesing 3 over 4. So top times top, bottom times bottom. So 2 times 3 is 6, 5 times 4 is 20. Right, so we've got 6 over 20. Can 6 and 20 both be divided by the same thing? Yes, they're both even numbers, so we can divide by 2, so we can simplify this. So we're going to do 6 divided by 2, and we're going to do 20 divided by 2. So our final answer for this is 3 over 10. Okay, we're going to do 3 over 4, and we're going to divide it by 2. Right, this is not a fraction. If we want to change a whole number into a fraction, we're going to put it over 1. Okay, so we've changed our 2 to 2 over 1. Hasn't changed it. We've just changed a whole number into a fraction. Now, when we're dividing fractions, I call them flipping times, because we take our second fraction, what we're dividing by, we turn it upside down, and we change our divide sign to a multiply. So that gets us 3 over 4. That one does not change. Our divide sign changes to a multiply, and our 2 over 1 turns upside down to 1 over 2. So now I can just go ahead and do top times top and bottom times bottom. So top times top, 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 2 is 8, and we are all done. Okay, here's another one. We've got 4 over 10, and we want to divide it by 4 over 5. So again, flipping times. So we're going to turn this upside down, and we're going to change our divide to a multiply. So this one doesn't change, it stays the same. Our divide sign becomes a multiply, and we turn the second fraction upside down. Then we just go ahead and multiply. So we're going to do 4 times 5. So 4 times 5 is 20, and 10 times 4 is 40. So can we simplify? Can 20 and 40 both be divided by the same thing? Yes, they can. So they can both be divided by 20, or if you don't like doing that, we can just start with half in it and keep going. So 20 divided by 20. 20 divided by 20 is 1. 40 divided by 20 is 2. We've got a half. There's nothing else we can simplify there. All done.